AM. Come on, I'm waiting for you boys. Oh shit, right off.
I went to the pit so I can catch up as soon as you went.
This guy looks jokes. Man's got like a hexagon head, but he's got 17 shapes, 17 sides. He looks funny. Hey, look, click the rear view, bro. He's got a diamond head, fam. Wait, who's this here?
That's me.
I'm at the pits waiting.
There's some guy with a blue cap. I think there's an Indian brother here, though. Oh shit! Assalamu alaikum. Come, let's go.
Go in the middle, whoever's in the... Yeah, there you go.
Oh shit.
I'm catching up to the dude that spins out the whole time.
Adam, you're not rated.
Fam, you're American, fam. Why should you be rated?
Good thing we know he's not a Trump supporter. I'm coming, brother.
First, you were like, "What's your name?" He was like, what do you want to be called?"
Allah, he's like, "What do you want me to call?" You don't need to know my name. You can call me Kashmir. Hey, bro, I feel so hot. My ass is sweating on this chair.
My back is sweating, fam.
We've been there for 3 hours just trying to download cars. Look at him showing off now. 360 entry, but he got left. He got left. You get me? This is UK versus America right now. Don't worry, my UK brothers. I'm holding it. Oh shit, I spoke too soon.
Yeah, holding it.
Bro, I got Kermit. Are you dumb? Look, Kermit on the wall as well. Cheese.
Oh yeah. I am my least favorite color right now.
I'm catching up.
Hey, it's not a race. It's whoever can keep it going the longest.
That's what she said.
Exactly.
Exactly.
Oh shit. Hey, my headset's falling off my head. Too many vibrations going on. See?
Copyright.
Man's catching up, mate. That's because you're not ready for the UK drifters.
Are you trying to finish faster than me?
I've been sliding it as well the whole way though, that's the thing.
Fam, me and you, yeah? What's his name? Me and KJ, yeah? KJ, you know me and you, yeah?
Yeah.
After
what?
Mo and Nikki, yeah, they start doing shit. Fam, we look like shit, fam. We look like dog shit.
I'm waiting for him to pass. I'm gonna get behind him. I don't want to hit you.
You know what you should do? Basically, you know how
Oh, press the handbrake too much. You see the way I took you there? You didn't even see that, my brother.
Yeah.
Man took you so nicely.
Oh yeah. All right. Here.
Oh, man,
You get me on a different map.
Alright, cool.
You get me on a different map that I've done good on. I will do a lot better. Here, you want to try this NSR map so I can destroy you on that map?
Yeah, let's go on NSR. Well, you got NSR?
Yeah, I make them download it.
Oh shit.
Or I don't want to.
All I'm
have
saying
it.
is that the American is trying to challenge me. So he said put on the NSR drifting map. As you
I've
can
never
see,
played that map.
we're loading up.
Watch me get better. Watch
My
me.
brother. My brother.
Watch me.
My brother.
Watch me.
I'm telling you to watch me, not watch.
Shut up. Can you please stop?
Where are ya?
bullying me?
Where are
Don't
ya?
blame me.
You
I'm
silly
not
cunt.
Where are you?
See? American internet. It's not even loaded in.
That's not what it is.
Where is that?
It's
What?
not what it looks like.
I gotta download the map.
Got the Indian cam block
Oh
behind me.
shit. Indian cam block. So whilst we're waiting for JK to download the map, man's out here drifting.
Oh, it's already downloaded. I'm coming right back.
Oh shit, he's trying to challenge me, that's what it is. But he doesn't know that he'll get smoked, fam. He doesn't
I'm
know,
not.
fam. You man are from London, fam. You know where man's from. You know man was drifting around Rectory Road and that, fam.
Hey, no, you don't watch that.
You don't know them thing
Do
there.
it. Roundabout drifting.
Nearly lick off a couple cyclists and that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, remember the Khala woman?
Oh shit, man, a little 360.
When was it? Northwood Road.
Yeah.
Is there like a long straight on this track?
A big full series
No, no
going
straights.
straight to her face. Yeah, trust. You don't know about that still, because you might report us.
Oh, not bad.
Now, man's in America. What can you do?
Exactly.
Trump.
Trump.
Basically,
You'll be
those
like, you
corner
brown
is
people,
where-
it's a Chinese virus. It's a Chinese virus. It's from China.
Okay, I see how it is.
Hey! The flipping old scrapyard
whip
whip made me spin out. Is this wide enough for ya?
Oh yeah.
Oh, that sounds kind of tasty.
I like my woman wide.
Fam, I don't know what this brother likes, fam. You know them man from the US on some mad shit, cuz.
Obesity. Obesity rates out the sky, fam.
They love them cheeseburger looking things, fam. You want a cheeseburger, man?
Yeah, like, what is it called? Popeyes or so. What is it called?
Yeah, Popeyes.
Chick-fil-A.
I hate Chick-fil-A.
Is it halal though?
What?
Halal, guys.
Hey, move,
I have a
Adam.
challenge for you.
Yeah,
Have you been
yeah.
beat up?
Bro, this
I have a
GoPro is
challenge
so
for
hot
you.
on my chest, bro.
Buttoning up your nipples.
Alright.
Charles, nipples looking like salami right now. It's mad.
Hey Adam, do you want to be a judge?
Oh
Huh?
shit.
I mean
I
at the
said you're
pit.
so shit at drifting. He said you're gonna be a judge.
Oh no, that's not what I meant.
Oh, no, you're violating. I'll come to your
No,
side.
no.
Bro, I can't even control my drift. Man's having a laugh. Bro,
Alright.
this is why you're gonna be a judge, fam.
No, I did it.
Go on, you challenge me. Let's go.
I have no experience on this track. That's my excuse.
Again.
Oh, too wide. Oh, what?
Oh god, I have to up my second gear a little bit.
Coming for ya. You're asking for
It's not a
it.
race.
Oh shit, I spun it as well.
Go it.
Yeah.
Get
Off my back.
Jeez, Instagram. Is
Oh, I
that a
went
thing
a
in
little
America?
wide.
Is that a thing in America?
Man said
What?
to use Instagram. Oh my days, that was
I
so
don't use
beautiful.
Instagram.
Did you see how beautiful that was?
You were really close. I gotta try the S15 on this map. Or S13.
Man left. Come on,
Yeah,
Adam.
I'm
Go.
going back.
Oh shit, I spun it. Man's got so much fire coming out his exhaust. That's an MOT failure.
We don't know what MOT is.
Oh my god, my whole back is soaked, bruv. I feel like a rat doner kebab right now, fam. On the grill spinning.
How are for it to do anything?
Come
Nah,
on,
there
mate.
is still-
Look at that. I'm creeping up your ass, mate.
Say water.
A lie?
You did.
Still hasn't
Nah,
said water.
Water. Say water, not water.
No, water.
I'm not saying.
Not water.
Say Harry
say
Potter.
water.
Oh, my thumb got stuck in my
Say
gauge.
tea.
Say what?
Say tea.
Man
Like
said
to
tea.
drink?
Yeah, that's tea and crumpets, isn't it?
JK made us sound so sick. He was like, so what do I call
What?
you? Mo and Adam? Cheese.
Oh, Mo and Adam.
Cheese. You know when an American says it sounds crud.
Man's hit the wall again.
Ah, my lower back's gone.
Where's Adam at? I haven't seen him in
Adam, I'm
forever.
here.
Where's Adam at?
Oh, there he is.
Fredo.
So what chocolate bars do you have? Like Bounty and that?
Hershey's.
Charles,
Hershey.
they got Hershey's in that. Are you dumb? That's flavors, bro.
What else do you have? Twix?
Yeah.
Liquid celebration box.
No.
You don't have the celebration box, fam. You're missing out, huh?
You don't have the celebration box. Man said you don't have the celebration box. You're missing out. You don't even understand, fam. That's sad.
I wasn't listening because I was talking to my mom.
No, he said you don't have the celebration box. You're missing out. But you wouldn't understand that. Because a celebration box is basically, it's a box of chocolates we have here in the UK. And it's just got a mix of all the chocolates. So he said you don't have a celebration box, you're missing out.
Should we put Adam in front?
Adam, get in front. See? Adam, you get in front.
Yeah, let me get in front. Make way for the Jukla family.
Oh shit. That's for snapping it off, fam. Jokes.
But Jesus, so sweating too much, fam. But Jesus, stop doing fires, fam.
Man's sitting in a steam sauna. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I mean, oh shit. Sorry, JK. But
KJ. Backwards again.
Oh, KJ. Sorry, man. I keep saying it backwards.
Yeah, he's joking. That's what it means, isn't it, JK?
Yeah, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I know, obviously, we ain't been on 100% form because, obviously, KJ is new to this map as well as it's blood. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning now. We spent like 3 hours trying to get this guy set up. But yeah, man.
We're not gonna talk about the only one not drifting.
Shut the fuck up.
That's calm. But yeah, guys, as you can see, man's tired as well. Eyes are half closed, looking like Fetty Wap and that. But new video, I mean, next video will be out soon. Obviously, we got a 4th guy on the team now as well. So respect to all the drivers as well. That's in the lobby right now. You get me? But yeah, man. Man, we'll catch you lot in the next video. Trust.